always, Alyssa. I am back with another video, and today I'm so excited because it's a cooking video. This is gonna be super exciting. I'm gonna make one of my favorite recipes, and it's only 7 ingredients. It's super good. It's a dessert, and we all love dessert, right? And something else we all love is cookies. But this is no ordinary cookie. In fact, it's not a cookie at all. It's Reese's bars. Everything you need for this recipe is right here. Flour, brown sugar, chocolate chips. I'm using the mini ones because I think they're a little better in this recipe, but you can use the bigger ones if you want. Butter, vanilla, peanut butter, and 1 egg. The first step is to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. The next thing we're going to do is melt a ½ cup of butter, which is also 1 stick or 8 tablespoons. We're going to put this butter in the microwave for 1 minute or until it's melted. Perfectly melted. Since I have a big family, I'm going to double this recipe and do 8 more tablespoons of butter. Next step is to mix together your peanut butter, vanilla, brown sugar, and butter in a bowl. Put in the butter first. And we're going to do 2 tablespoons of vanilla. And remember, I am doubling this recipe, so if you want to only do half of this, you easily can just do half of everything that I'm doing. Now for the peanut butter. And I'm doing 2/3 cup since I'm doubling the recipe. And for this part, you're going to want to add a little bit more peanut butter than a 1/3 cup, like just a little over the top. Plenty of peanut butter will make it good. Okay, I did the peanut butter. I have a little extra, so I'm gonna see if this wants some. Hannah, Maddie, come here! Maddie, come here! What's up? Hannah, come here! Hannah! You're missing out, Hannah! You better hurry, you want some peanut butter? Yummy. You want some? So cute. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of brown sugar. And make sure you really pack it down. Now we're going to add 2 eggs. Now you're going to mix it all together. Okay, once that is all combined, we're going to add 2 cups of flour. Okay, now we're going to add 2 cups of chocolate chips, which is pretty much just this whole bag I'm using, but you can measure yours out if you want. Oops. A little mess. But these mini chocolate chips are so good. Now mix it all together. Now we're going to grease a 9x13 pan and pour in the batter. I'm going to get a spatula for this part. I'm going to make it a little bit easier. Now we're going to bake the Reese's bars for 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes, so I'm gonna check the peanut butter bars and see how they're looking. They look good. Let's see. Looks like they're almost done, maybe a little longer. I just checked it, the toothpick came out clean, so it's time to take it out. Yummy. Now you can leave them to cool for 30 minutes. It's cooled off, and I think I'm ready to taste test and cut it. I'm a little happy because my brother's not here, so that means they can't eat it all. That means I get first dibs. Just cut these like you would a brownie. Let's see, maybe about this big. I'm kidding. Ooh, nice and moist. Perfection. Ooh, I know you want it, but it has chocolate in it, doggy. Okay, so it's time to try my peanut butter bars. I know it looks like we cut a bunch already. That's because some of my family members around here. Looks like you're pretty guilty. You're guilty. And my mom behind the camera is also guilty of sampling before I got to sample. Very fishy. Anyways, I'm gonna try it. I'm so excited. It looks really good. You might think when you first cut these, they look a little bit raw, but once you chill them in the fridge for a couple hours, they're gonna be super good. Well, everyone, I hope that you like this recipe and that you'll try it and enjoy it and share it with everyone. It is so good. I just love the peanut butter in it so much. It's like a peanut butter cookie almost. It's so heavenly. Anyways, comment telling me what you want me to do in my next video, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.